Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you, the shadow, Therabox. Therabox is a lifestyle meditation, self-care sort of a box. I don't know how much it cost. It'll be on the screen per my usual. I also am not 100% sure what month this is. I don't know if this is December or January. That'll be on the screen too. I am almost positive. Like, my memory is so bad. I'm almost positive that this is one of the boxes I canceled. Yeah, like 95% sure this is one of the boxes that I canceled, so I should no longer be getting Therabox. Did I say December or January? I sure did. I meant to say January or February because we are now in the month of February. Whew. You know, January was the longest month ever, but I still feel like I'm in it. I don't understand why. There is a giveaway going on right now that will be linked down below. I will also link down below my last couple of lives where one of them was me actually getting the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and the other one is just kind of like a chat with me, and we talk about the boxes and we speculate what's in them, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I will link those down below. Let's get into our potentially last Therabox. I'm almost positive this is the last one. My memory's so bad. Okay, so let's see. You get a little magazine, and it tells you everything that's in it and how much it cost. Does it tell me what month this is? I am not seeing what month this is, so again, that will be on the screen further up in the video, but I guess we just get to guess. For right now, while I'm recording, I get to guess. So I'm gonna guess maybe it's February's, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is this, and this is what they actually look like. So they're sticky notes, and they are the Happy Shop Self-Care To Do sticky notes, and they retail for $8. Those are cute. Oh, those are really cute. I like those. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is I'm in Love Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask, and it says it's a 2-step mask. I've never heard of a 2-step mask. It looks like just a normal sheet mask, but it says 2 steps. So let's see. This is a I'm in Love Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask, and it retails for $4.99. The next thing I am pulling out here is it's a champagne charcoal body scrub, and this is what the packaging looks like. It does have a safety seal. I am not going to open that, but I do have a lot of body scrubs that are open right now, so I will probably just throw that in a giveaway, but that does retail for $18. The next thing I am pulling out, oh wow, so we just got these in another box. I don't remember what box, but the Sugar Bear Hair Woman's Multivitamin, and they look exactly the same as they did in the other box. I don't know. I guess the universe is telling me I need to take more vitamins. I don't know. Let's see. What do these retail for again? Because I do not remember. So these retail for $30. I don't think I would ever pay $30 for a gummy, but okay. The next thing I am pulling out is by Z Skin, and it is a coffee face scrub. I actually have a sunscreen from these people, and I like it. This retails for $37. Holy cow. Okay, that's a $37 face mask. It's or face scrub, sorry. And it's the size of my hand. I don't know. I wouldn't pay $37 for it, but Z-Skin is a good product. I do like their sunscreen, so there's that. The next thing I am pulling out is, oh, it's a Sugar Bear Hair shower cap that retails for $15. That will definitely just be passed along. I don't use shower caps. If I don't want to wash my hair, I just pin my hair up. So there's that. Shower cap isn't something that I've ever really been into. Did I say that that retailed for $15 for a shower cap? That's a bit crazy. The next thing I am pulling out is Unicorn Lip Plumping Mask. Ooh, that sounds fun. And it retails for $15. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has a little unicorn on it. Oh, it has a safety seal, but it's not that safetied on. So I will, oh, that smells so good. That is, oh, it smells like that too. Like it looks like cotton candy. It kind of smells like cotton candy. Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, I'm totally keeping that. Oh, that smells so good. Let's see. It says it's an ultimate hydrating lip plumping mask that goes on like silk and gives your lips that extra oomph. Oh, I'm super excited for that. Is it edible? Not that I would encourage eating any sort of lip product, but it smells edible. Let's see. I think it is edible. Do not try this at home. But, oh my goodness. I'm gonna touch it. Okay, it has the consistency, like when you touch it, it's not as fluffy as it looks. Oh, it smells so good. But it has more of like an icing consistency to it. I like it. Okie dokie. The next thing I am pulling out is, oh, there's two more things left in here. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this. What is this? After Spa, a detox massage brush. Ooh, I will definitely keep that. I'll put it on the side of my tub. These are, I love using things like this or things similar to this just to help me relax when I take a bath. So let's see. It is a detox brush with massage nodules and it retails for $16. Okay, and it's dry brushing. If you don't know what a dry brush is, they tend to lean toward, what do I want to say here? Not medical, but yes, medical. Like, I was told when I had nerve damage in my leg, and I still have nerve damage in my leg, that dry brushing my leg would help to bring the sensation back in my leg, at least to some extent. And so I know that that is something that dry brushing is used for. I know that dry brushing is used for people that have sensory issues, which is something else I also have. So I will definitely, I mean, it says it's dry brush, so maybe it's not something that I can use in the bathtub. I'll read the directions later, but I'm totally looking forward to using that. So then the last thing I'm pulling out is Base Camp Card, 54 playing cards and questions. Oh, so it's a game maybe? How do I open it? Oh, they're all, oh, okay. So it's a deck of cards, but if you can see, they have like questions on them. So I don't know, it sounds like maybe it is a game. Let's take a peek, see if we can find something on it. Okay, so they retail for $10.60. Okay, so they are just playing cards that also have questions on them, like a get to know yourself or a get to know each other sort of a thing. It does suggest that you just like pick up a card in the morning, read the question and answer it for yourself, just to kind of get to re-know yourself, I guess. So it's interesting. I'll read more up on it. There might actually be a game that is associated with the questions themselves, but I'll read on that later. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, potentially the last Therabox unboxing. Did I say? Yeah, Therabox. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.